Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Arif Najmuddin and I will summarize the article for my section in assignment 2. First article is Project Manager Leadership Behavior Task-Oriented versus Relationship-Oriented. This article explores the tension between task-oriented and relationship-oriented leadership styles in project management, suggesting that effective managers should adapt their approach based on project requirements and team dynamics. For the article number 2, the influence of leadership behavior on minus work safety behavior. The study reveals that leadership behavior significantly influences minus work safety behavior, with minus satisfaction acting as a mediator. It is also recommends promoting positive leadership, providing incentive, and maintaining effective communication to reduce unsafe behavior. Next article is an approach to employees' job performance through environmental variables and leadership behaviors. The article explores the relationship between work environmental variables, leadership behaviors, and job performance in the industrial sector. It is also suggests transformational leadership and social support are crucial for job performance, with thus significance and social support playing secondary roles.
Assalamualaikum and hi doctor. My name Muhammad Syahmi bin Azmi. Today I would like to present 3 different articles that I found in the context of leadership behavior. The first title article in the topic leadership behavior is Leading Day to Day, a review of the daily causes and consequences of leadership behaviors. This article is about exploring the daily causes and consequences of leadership behavior. This review has highlighted previous research that has examined the daily causes and consequences of leadership behaviors. In this article, the researcher using experience and methodology and systematic review as their research method. The finding of the article is provide best practice as a reference for those wishing to examine daily leadership behaviors. The next title article is Leadership Behavior and Employee Wellbeing, an integrated review and a future research agenda. The article shows us that leadership behavior has a significant impact on employee behavior, performance, and well-being. This research used 2 different methods, which is coding procedures and selective, and also qualitative review. The key outcome of this review discuss implications for future research, also focusing on theoretical and then methodology considerations. Lastly, we can see the last data article that found by me, which is Authentic Leadership and Leaders' Mental Wellbeing and Experience Sampling Study. Research on authentic leadership has yielded important insights about its effect on subordinates. The researcher of this article has applied hierarchical linear modeling to analyze 386 observations from 44 executives. The researcher also used an experience sampling methodology and online questionnaire as their research method to collect the data. Findings demonstrate that the extent to which leaders interact with their subordinates moderates this relationship, in that more authentic leaders tend to display less with more interaction with their subordinates, while less authentic leaders tend to display more with more such interaction.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Rizwan bin Ahmad Hussein, and I will present 2 articles that I have been choose. My first article is Technology Effect on the Leadership Behavior in the Digital Era by Hakan Kapucho. It discusses how technological advancement in leader behavior, decision, insight, and lifestyle. It emphasizes the interplay between leader and technology, the challenges they face in digital era, and the key factor leader need to adopt and adapt from technological and universal perspective. The research explore the skill and the key behavior that today and future leader possesses, the challenges caused by technological disruption, and its effect on leaders. The article highlights the significant role of exponentially developing technology in causing radical changes in leader behavior and leader continuum. It also addresses the need to understand how digital transformation affect leader behavior and the potential behavior that leader can adopt and employ in the digital era. The second article is leadership behavior repertoire, an exploratory study of the concept and the potential for understanding leadership in public organization by Marike Vanderhoek. This article explores the concept of leadership behavior repertoire and its implication for understanding leadership in public organization. The article conceptualizes a repertoire perspective on leadership behavior that emphasizing the variety within leadership behavior and the need for a comprehensive approach to understand leadership in ambiguous contexts.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amin bin Kamar Huda and my matrix number AB0620100066. Today I want to present three main articles of leadership behavior. First article is the impact of leadership on boosting employee creativity, the role of knowledge sharing as a moderator. According to the study finding, the openness of leaders' potential mediate the willingness of employees to try new things and share information, which is a consequence of the trust the employee have in their leader and the willingness of experiment with new concept. For second article is stimulation of innovation behavior through the inclusive leader and engaged workers. For the article, this investigate provide new insight as to how inclusive leadership stimulates and innovation through the mediating impact of employee engagement. And last article is the assessing the drivers and outcome of behavioral self-leadership. For the article is the study find that behavioral self-leadership, which is favorably correlated with self-efficient, is positively correlated with adaptive selling and sale performance.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ashiki Minti Ishaq and I will talk about three different articles. The first article is Organizational Culture and Leadership Behaviors. Is managers' psychological health the missing piece? This paper explores the interconnectedness between organizational culture, managers' psychological health, and its subsequent influence on leadership behaviors. The findings suggest that a healthy organizational culture positively contributes to favorable leadership behaviors, while an unhealthy culture tends to foster negative leadership practices. The study emphasized the necessity to delve deeper into the intricate process through which organizational culture impact managers' psychological health, subsequently affecting their leadership behavior. Next, the second article is Transformational Leadership and Followers' Innovative Behavior, Roles of Commitment to Change and Organizational Support for Creativity. The journal explores the dynamic between transformational leadership, commitment to change, organizational support for creativity, and followers' innovative behavior. The study reveals that the influence of transformational leadership on fostering innovative behavior among followers is contingent upon a strong commitment to change. Based on the findings, the journal suggests several recommendations for organizations, which is cultivating a culture of commitment to change among employees should be a priority, and empowering employees is crucial. And the last article is impact of inclusive leadership on employees' innovative behavior. a relational silence approach. The article investigates the influence of inclusive leadership on employees' innovative behavior using a relational silence approach. Uh, which is utilizing the relational silence approach. The research delved into both the positive and negative aspects of inclusive leadership and their consequences on employees' innovative behavior. Okay, the journal proposed the following recommendations to enhance innovative behavior, which is encouraging leadership tactics that have a substantial positive predictive effect on employees' innovative behavior, and implementing the relational silence approach is a valuable technique for analyzing internal dynamics impacting employees' innovative behavior. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello and hi, I would like to continue from my article. For the sake of safety, a time-lapse study investigating the relationship between perceived leadership behavior and employee safety behavior. The study used a time-lapse design to examine how leadership behavior affect employee safety behavior over time. The results suggest that certain leadership behaviors, such as providing safety training and setting clear safety expectations, can positively impact employee safety behavior. For the second article, influence of nurse perception of organization climate and toxic leadership behavior on intent to stay, a descriptive comparative study. The study found that performance standard, incentive system, and authoritarian leadership behavior were the organizational climate dimension affect the intention to stay. Additionally, toxic leadership behaviors, including leadership style and self-promoting, were found to affect nurse intention to stay in the hospital study. For the third article, how to make employee on the digital transformation journey, an experimental study on complementary leadership behavior in managing organizational change. The study found that a combination of transformational and transactional leadership behavior can positively impact employee attitude and behavior during digital transformation. Transformational leadership behavior, such as inspiring and motivation employees, were found to be particularly effective in promoting employee engagement and commitment to digital transformation. That's all for me.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ahmad Shami, and today I'm gonna present about industry leadership regarding 3 articles that have been chosen by me in recent assignment. The first article is about impact of ethical leadership, innovative climate, project success. In this article, it has been stated that ethical leadership and innovative climate positively impact on project success. Thus, the innovative work behavior has a complementary effect. It's true, if we see that a good leadership will always make a productive outcome. It's because the instruction clearly given that misunderstood and misconception will unlikely to occur in workplace. Thus, it will increase an innovative mindset among employees. Second article is by Kaza and Posner with the title of How and When Does the Grit Influence Leaders' Behavior? Grit meaning in this context is the strength or willingness to overcome the obstacle. In this study, it found that grit characteristic is dependent in the context where it is suitable. This grit behavior may have a empowering effect to it, thus it only apply in high-pressure workplace environment. This indirectly shows us how the underlying prospect of anything can change to anything that are subtle. The last article is about the influence of ethical leadership to deviant workplace behavior mediated by ethical and organizational commitment. In the finding of this research, ethical leadership could influence the formation of ethical climate in an organization which will negatively affect the deviant behavior in workplace. Well, as per what said in the first article, the influence of ethical leadership is really critical in determining the outcome of the company. Without good leaders that seek out every aspect and lead their team, an ethical climate in workplace is undeniably impossible to achieve. Thank you. That's all from me.